The Prime Minister of India made a huge announcement.
No rain.
This is Naren conquering communication with you all. He announced that on Sunday, March 22nd, we will be doing a JANATA curfew, which means a societal curfew. What is this curfew? The curfew lasts from 7 a.m. in the morning to 9 p.m. in the evening. Now, what's really powerful in the way he communicated about this curfew is the following. It's a curfew not enforced by law, not enforced by an authority, a superior authority on you, but it's a societal curfew. And here's why I think it's a genius idea. Because when you make society responsible for some things, sometimes, especially enforcing a law and holding each other accountable, it works way more and way powerfully than if a superior authority was looking over your head doing that. Whenever we are asked to follow new laws or rules, do we like that? Or do we want to break those laws? Be honest, that's the human mind, right? Whenever a new rule comes, we ideally want to break it. So, they did not announce that this is a new rule by the government. They just said, hey, society members, hold each other accountable. What a great social experiment. I really believe it's a really powerful way to communicate such a curfew and make sure that the curfew is successful, because we follow a lot of the times rules that society set, and we oftentimes omit the rules that the government imposes on us. I really look forward to the curfew myself and wish that it's really successful. I'm going to be participating, and I encourage you to do the same. Participation will be really crucial for India. At the same time, it will be a great way to test our capability to do this in the future if needed for an emergency that arises later. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'll see you guys on Sunday, but on social media, not in person, because I will be self-quarantined. Namaste.